8 people all see the same film at the Cleveland International Film Festival on the same day at the same time.
Connect the dots.
A narrative weaves its way between them, unseen. Little do they know, but they are now connected. Mark is at his 3rd festival. He is no longer a novice, but is still in discovery mode. Isabella, an eager college student, is here to infuse her brain with as much visual stimuli as she can. Mark, fancying himself a bit of an expert, quickly falls into the role of mentor. Isabella, believing she has something valid to teach the older generations, falls into the role as well. 2 mentors, giving each other advice. 2 mentors who just learned something and are inspired.